Clifford's Puppy Days? Oh, nice! I used to watch this show as a little kid. It's about Clifford the Big Red Dog when he was small, and when he lived in the city instead of the island of Bridwell. The only reason why he moved there when he was big is because he was too big to fit in the building, but in this series, he was not. Because Scholastic didn't want to put a big dog in Clifford's Puppy Days and wanted to put a little Clifford in Clifford's Puppy Days. Do you know who likes this show? Me. Justin. Lucas. Bugs Bunny. Bear. And Gary. We like this show so much that we do not want to take it off the air. Do you know who hates this show? Vector. Lotso. And Eraser. Every time they get in very big trouble, they are forced to watch this show. End of salute. Next salute I do, you choose on Google Plus or comment right below.